Hi, folks. Welcome to the package group weekly retro. Today is Friday, September 25th. Tim, you have the first point. Do you want to kick us off?
Yeah. Under what went not so well this week, I guess this has been ongoing, but we're still waiting on some data to show up in Sisense for a container registry vendor. It looks like the version DB was merged, so I'm hoping it's ready for next week. And I could read for David. I ran out of my internet quota and couldn't test the throttling implementation locally. Long story short, I need to reconfigure GDK, which in turn needs me to update the dependencies, including Postgres and several packages to download. Not possible in my working conditions this week. So David, sorry about that. On to Steve.
This week, I've just been running out of bandwidth, and I've had to kind of like choose each day what I don't think I have time to work on or give reviews. And in the end, this probably is taking the biggest toll on reviewing community contributions. Over to John.
Thanks, Steve. So for me, this is my first week back. It's been a little bit challenging, and I don't feel completely back into my normal rhythm like I typically do. So hoping that next week I feel a little bit back into my routine and rhythm and all of that good stuff. Over to Haley.
Yeah, I feel this week I've been mostly just reacting to things as they come in and not so much generating new stuff, at least compared to most weeks. And there's a lot of stuff going on in the wider world, which one could be worried about, and I've been worrying about it. On to Joe.
So it turns out that being sick is no fun, and I felt low in energy for most of the week. But I'm getting better. On to Tim with what went well.
Thanks, Joe. I hope you feel better. This week has felt like a productive week. I was able to not quite make it through my entire to-do list, but making good progress. And I've seen that we've made really good progress on the Debian and Go proxy in the community contribution front. So it's really exciting to see that engagement. And for David, I was able to push some work on the throttling issue while working at a reduced capacity. And on to Steve.
This week, I made some progress on a bug that seems to be affecting a lot of users, so that's exciting. And I was able to knock out 2 permission bugs that were brought up in Slack with just a quick, small MR. Haley?
Yeah, I feel like the registry migration plan has solidified a bit, and for me that's been like a big question mark with moving forward on garbage collection and moving that to production eventually. So it's good to see that, really shaping up. On to Joe.
So it's great to see progress on the registry automated deployments, and also with this work and the discussions around the migration strategy and the deployment, there will be a lot of opportunities for cross-team collaboration and also to work in other stuff beyond the source code. So that's exciting. That's all. Back to John.
Thanks, Sean. Awesome. Thanks, everybody, for sharing all of those. Anybody have any topics to chat about before we stop recording? No? Okay. Well, thanks for joining us, and we will see you next week.